Sign in or create a My CASA account using digital identity. Link your existing Aviation reference number, ARN, or apply for a new one. If you're operating on behalf of a business, you'll also need an organisation ARN. Select the individual or organisation account to register the drone. Select Drone Registration. Begin drone registration. Select your drone manufacturer from the list provided. Select the model of your drone. If the manufacturer and model are not listed, select Other Manufacturer or Home Built. Then add A. Manufacturer name, B. Model name, C. Drone category, D. Drone weight. Enter the drone's unique serial number. You might find this inside the battery compartment, on the warranty card, the packaging for the drone, or via associated apps. Let us know if your drone is registered overseas. Review the summary provided. Add additional drones if you're registering more than one. Select Add Drone and repeat previous steps for all the drones you wish to register. Read the declaration carefully. Complete the payment details. Success!